Welcome. Now we are going to do a sum which is an application of maximum integral. See the sum. The sum of the volumes of a sphere and a cube is given, so that when the sum of the surfaces is greatest, the diameter of the sphere is equal to the side of the cube. Let us assume that volume of the sphere B equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube and volume of the cube is equals to x cube. It is given that volume of a sphere and a cube is their sum is given. What is given that you have to remember, that is always a constant. So we can assume 4 by 3 pi r cube plus x cube equals to c. Again I am repeating, what is given in a question, that is always a constant. So therefore c is a constant here. Now let us find from here. So x cube equals to c minus 4 by 3 pi r cube. X equals to c minus 4 by 3 pi r cube whole to the power 1 by 3. Now what we have to find? That when the sum of the surfaces is greatest, sum of the surfaces, let us here assuming it is S. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square and surface area of a cube, I think you can remember it, is 6x square. So we have to show that when the sum is greatest, what will happen? From here, we can see from here what we can do it here. That one we can do afterwards, we can do from here. Suppose we can change this x, 4 pi r square plus 6. Instead of x we can put this one, c minus 4 by 3 pi r cube whole to the power 2 by 3. So now if we are doing ds dr, ds dr equals to what we are getting here, 8 pi r plus 6, see carefully, into 2 by 3 c minus 4 by 3 pi r cube whole to the power 2 by 3 minus 1, that is minus 1 by 3 into derivative of this one, that is minus 4 by 3 pi into 3 r square. Now we have to say that at whenever the volume, this surface is greatest, at that point ds dr equals to 0. That means this one equals to 0. So what we can say, then 8 pi r, this minus will come here, equals to 6 into 2 by 3 into 4 by 3 pi into 3r square into C minus 4 by 3 pi r cube whole to the power minus 1 by 3. Again I am repeating, we have to remember when surface is maximum, then ds dr will be 0. Putting ds dr 0, we are getting 8 pi r equals to, it is coming this side, so it is becoming this one. Now from here, if we are putting C minus 4 by 3 pi r cube whole to the power 1 by 3 as x, so what we are getting, 8 pi r equals to 3 to the 6, 16 pi r square into C minus 4 by 3 pi r cube, that was x cube. C minus 4 by 3 pi r cube was x cube. So into x cube whole to the power minus 1 by 3. So from here, after cutting 8 pi and 8 pi, 8 pi r if we are cutting, it will be 1. It will be 2r into x to the power minus 1. This shows that 2r equals to x, and 2r is the diameter, and that is our, we are supposed to prove that the diameter of the sphere is equal to the side of the cube. So what we have seen, that when the surface area is greatest, then 2r equals to x, and 2r is the diameter, that is diameter equals to side of the cube. This was the thing which was asked to show. I think you can be able to understand it, but I will show you this one once again in a different style. See this one. If we are saying differentiating this one, this was the given thing, both sides with respect to x, s, then what we are getting, 4 by 3 pi into 3r square into dr ds plus 3x square dx ds. And since it is c, its derivative will be 0. dc ds will be 0 because c is a constant. From this side, what we are getting, that 4, 3 we can cut, 4 pi r square dr ds plus 3x square dx ds equals to 0, or we can write this one equals to minus of this one. Now see what we are supposed to show, that surface area, as I have shown earlier, surface area equals to 4 pi r square plus 6x square. So if we are differentiating with respect to r, what we are getting, ds dr equals to 8 pi r plus 12x dx dr. Now when the surface area is greatest, then ds dr will be 0. That means 8 pi r plus 12x dx dr. Instead of dx dr, so from here, see what we are getting. Dx, this one equals to dx or dx ds. See from here by dr ds equals to what is coming 4 pi r square by minus 3x square. This is actually dx dr is equals to minus 4 pi r square by 3x square. So if we are putting here 8 pi r plus, instead of this, sorry, minus 4 pi r square by 3x square into 12x equals to 0, or 8 pi r equals to, here it will come 3x square, x will remain, and here 4. So 16 pi r square by x, or from here what we can write, see from here, if we are coming here 8 pi r x equals to 16 pi r square. Cutting by 8 pi r, x equals to 2r. That is the side of the cube equals to twice the radius, that is the diameter. This we are supposed to do. I have shown you 2 ways. You can follow any of the ways. Thank you.